We have to find the area whose vertices are the roots of the equation that is given in system. So here we will use the property which is basic one, that is z bar. What is the value of z bar? So if I can write z bar, that is equal to mod of z square. How can we say that? Because we know that z is written as x plus iy and z bar is written as x minus I. Once I will solve, it will be equal to x square plus y square. It is nothing but this is mod of z square. So this is the value that you will get. Now, here equation is given as z bar whole cube plus z bar z whole cube, that is equal to 350. What we will do? We will take z bar outside. And here you will get z bar to the whole square plus z to the whole square. And that is equal to 350. Now, z bar, as I already told you, it can be written as z square. Now, z square, we can write it as x minus iy to the whole square plus x plus iy to the whole square. And here you will write it as 350. Now, we can write z square or mod of z square can be written as x square plus y square. Now, if you can expand this one, you will get this one as x square iy to the whole square, that will become minus of y square plus 2xyi plus here, sorry, this one will become minus of 2xy. If you can see the next one, it will be x square, y square. No, if you can see x square, this one is also will become minus of y square. And the next value will become 2xyi. And that is equal to 350. Now, if you are solving further, you will get this one as x square plus y square. And if you can see 2xyi can cancel with plus 2xyi. Get 2 times of x square minus of y square, which is equal to 350. If I'm dividing with 2, you will get 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, and 175. Get the answer is x square plus y square into x square minus of y square, that is equal to 175. If you can solve it further, you will get this one as 25. Okay, so if I'm taking the factors of this one, you will get this one as 5 times 5 times 7, which we can write as 25 times 7. Now, this one can be written as x square plus y square, and you are getting x square minus of y square. Our task here is to take the value 25 into 7 in this form. You can take any other value, but I think 25 into 7 will be have something which is in the form of this one. How? See, here we are having x square and y square. If I'm taking x square plus y square, that is equal to 25. And if I'm taking x square minus of y square, that is equal to 7. If I'm adding these two values, you will get 2 times of x squared, which is equal to say 32. If I'm dividing it with 2, you will get this one as 16, which means x square is equal to 16. So x is equal to 4 or plus minus 4. Now, if I'm getting this one, you can get the value of y from here. That is y square is equal to 16 minus 7. That is equal to 9. So the value of y you will get, that is plus minus 3. So the coordinates that you will get of a rectangle, that we can write it like this. It is an alternate coordinate. Suppose first I'm writing 4 comma 3. So here you will get 4 comma minus 3. And here you will get minus 4 comma 3, minus 3. And this one will become minus 4 comma plus of 3. Something like this that you will get. Now, if you're getting this one, then you can find the distance of these two, which is minus 4 is here, plus 4 is here. If you are adding these values, you will get the 3. And if it is plus 3 minus 3, then that will become 6. If you are multiplying these two values, then you will get the area, which is equal to 48 square unit. That's the answer.